Welcome to another video of Flex Rocks and Rollovers. We are going to hit one of the coolest rock gardens that we have around here. So stay tuned for that and enjoy the show. A few weekends ago we organized a trail cleanup right here at my favorite trail, the Sand Mines. In case you haven't watched that video yet, you can click on the link in the description right after this video and watch it. I promise you it's worth it. It turned out super cool. It was an incredible day of riding. The Sand Mines have this hidden rock garden that I absolutely love. It has broken countless vehicles, and if you're not careful with your line choice, you can literally spend all day on it. Today we're actually trying to make it through it backwards. What you see here is usually the exit. Let's find out together if we can make it and who does it smoother. My buddy Sam in his 10th anniversary Rubicon, or me in the rental Jeep.
Yeah, you're good, come on. All right, hey, you're gonna follow that line around right there.
Every single time I completed this rock garden successfully, I had my buddy Jason Vanover spot me, who knows this place inside and out, and probably knows the backstory of every single rock that's laying here. This time around, Jason had already moved on with another group, so Andrew had to take over the spotting.
All right, hold tight for a minute. Yeah, keep going straight.
Rock gardens like this one are super technical and challenging. The game is it to keep your tires on top of the rocks, keep your diffs and drive shafts clear, and look far enough ahead to not screw yourself up.
Front diffs hung.
What makes this rock garden even trickier is that most of the rocks move. Every time you run it, it is different. And if you hit a rock in the wrong angle, it will just fold over and mess up your entire line.
You gotta get up on that rock. All right, come on.
It's moments like this one where the YJ really shines. The suspension is doing its job, the lightweight and low center of gravity help, and the RCV axles are making sure nothing is in a bind, even when I'm steering as hard as I am here.
Perfect. Come on, Marv. That's it. Pull home, bro.
For those that don't know, the Jeep that I'm driving here is not actually my Jeep. This is the rental, my dad's YJ. It's super capable, but very, very different from my own Jeep. In a trail like this, tire size and wheelbase make a huge difference. My Jeep sits on 42-inch tires with a 116-inch wheelbase. This YJ is only on 39-inch tires with a wheelbase of 104. That changes the game completely, and especially the lack of tire size really makes a huge difference.
Hey, oh, all right, hold. Straighten the wheel up.
Now, there goes that brand new tire rod.
Sorry, come on. Yep, come on. Back up. Can't do that either. Back up, back up, back up, back up. All right, right there. Back up a little bit more. Right there. Give me a hard passenger. There's no way this is going to be fun.
I think that's
All
it, though,
straighten
right
up.
there.
Get right there. Come on. Hard passenger. Yep, come on. All right.
Straight. That's,
Now, straighten it up, straighten it up, straighten it up, straighten it up. There you go, right there.
it'll be a little sketch, but
Yeah, come on. Easy, Marvin, easy. As you come down, go passenger, passenger, passenger. Right there, yep. That's it right there. Now, come on down, but I need you to driver a little bit. Just a hair. That's okay. Keep that rear tire on that rock. Just keep it straight. Keep it straightened up. This is perfect, Marvin. Come on. Not that it's not going to feel sketch right here, but you're all right. Come on. Just the front diff a little bit on this rock. Can you turn, driver? Keep going backwards. Back. Go. All right. Hard passenger. Yep. Keep going. All right, listen to me though. On forward. Easy up, circle. All right, hold. Just play hard. Be careful, Mark. That's exactly what you want. Back up and just give it a little bump. Right there. Just on the, you're on the axle skid. Forward.
oh,
There
there
you
it
go,
is.
there you go, come on. That's it right there. All right, hold. Hey, Marvin, come on. You're good, I promise you. Come on. Come on. You're fine, come on. Come on. Hey, look at me, you're fine. Do not turn the wheel. That's it right there, bro, come on.
Now, I know that feels sketch, though.
It feels sketchy, but you're fine. You're gonna come up here. Hey, hold it. That's it up right there. You out of it. Right here, drop. Stay right there though until I tell you straighten it up. Keep coming, keep coming. This is great, Marvin. You're almost out. Coming down here, coming down. Yep, there you go, you're up. Nobody doubt us. Come on, baby. We got you.
Hell yeah. Dude, that was tricky. That, like, tire size makes such a difference, dude. On 42s, this rock garden up and down all day. That was something else.
Hey,
dude.
the rental did good, though.
Yeah. All right, we just got the rental through this. Now
what you're gonna do,
Sam is
see this
next
rock right here?
in his 10th anniversary
What you're gonna
Rubicon.
do, You're gonna, hey, keep coming forward. You're fine. This is perfect. Now, hard driver as you're turning. Is that all you got? Turn right? Turn
Yes.
right? All right, stop. Back her up. Hard driver. Straighten it up. Straighten it up. Straighten it up.
Hey, you're scratching it.
You're on top of the rock we really need, John, but it's okay. It's not a problem. We can get around that.
That tree is holding on for dear life.
You're taking the entire trail. This is road building. It's not- You have a spotter?
As I mentioned earlier, everything moves. Sam is struggling to make the turn around that tree. His rear diff is hung up on a rock that moved and fell into his line that he was planning on taking. This also shows how important steering angle is. You can also see here that a selectable locker comes in handy in situations like this. If you need to make a sharp turn like this, it often helps to disengage your front locker so the rig actually turns and doesn't continue to push forward due to the locked front differential. If your front axle is locked, both of your front tires turn equally fast, no matter what, which makes your steering radius a lot bigger. Yeah!
Woo! Look that tree! That's it, Sam, stay. There is a scenario where we can't get you out of this thing, okay?
Yeah, when you end up here,
Yeah.
then you're done. Then you're completely done.
That's it. Can he come up that rock or is it? He's starting to. Okay, that's good. Hey, I want you to back up a little bit. Easy, just easy. I'm having so much fun now.
Sam's Jeep is a manual, and this shows pretty good why I don't like wheeling manuals. Each time you let off the throttle or you kick in the clutch, the rig shakes up and messes up your line and puts a lot of stress on the drivetrain. Let me know in the comments below what you prefer when you're wheeling, manual or automatic. Let's hear some pros and cons for each one.
All right, Sam, let's do it. Hard driver. Snake around that rock right there. Yep. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Ah, perfect. All right, come on, come on. Passenger, see what you can get out of that. What do we hung back on? Okay, there we go. All right, keep it, straighten it up now, straighten it up. All right, stop, 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 stop. Back up just a hair. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up. Oh, right there, hard driver.
By the way, I would also like to know from you, of any other rock gardens in the country, which one is your favorite rock garden and where is it located? Let me know in the comments below.
No, too much. All right, man, hey, you're in a good position actually. You're lined up, we're right. This is good. Come forward. Yep. Hey, not too much, too much, too much.
That's the exit, bud.
No, this is the exit. Are you, I mean, hey, are you ready to go home? You want to go home, sweetheart?
Yeah.
All right, straighten it up, straighten it up, straighten it up. Right there, come on. A little more driver. Hey, I want you to put it up on this rock, okay? Yep. Oh man, this is good. This is so good. Right there. Hey, all right, driver, 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 driver. Hey, back up that much. Back up. Back up, back up. Right there, stop. Driver. That's it, that's it, that's it. Straighten it up right now. That's it, no, no. Hey, back that way, back up. Right there, come on.
We got it.
All right. Proud of it, broski.
There she is.
Great job. Yep.
Good job, man.
Yeah, really wonderful job.
So much for the rock garden. Man, always a blast. Always a blast. What an awesome trail and super, super technical wheeling. Exactly the kind of stuff that I like. If you guys want to see more from the sand mines, please go check out our other two videos from our cleanup ride just a few weeks ago. And then please also check out the video that's called My Favorite Trail, the big video about the sand mines that is almost at 1 million views. Let's get that video up to 1 million views and make it our first 1 million view video up on this channel. So thank you guys for watching and I see you guys next week. Bye bye.